Yo, hey guys, we're back with the brand new. Why is your face? Wait, I don't.
I'm gonna record now too.
That's not very good. That's right. Alright. So, what we're going to be
guys,
doing,
we're back
son,
with another video. Today
is why you're so loud?
I have no idea.
Alright, so we're going to be going on some Roblox, if you know what Roblox is. But
I'm gonna be giving away an account part 2, so let's do it. Let's make a random birthday.
why would you give away an account?
Making one right now so they can have it. Username is gonna be.
Are you gonna buy like all the Robux on it?
You'll see hashtag awesome. No, hashtag awesome. Hashtag awesome. Password. Alright, so
Guys, I got a brand new account. Well, because my last one got deleted, of course.
Check in the description for the password.
Boy. Alright, so
check in the description for the password.
what's that?
Okay.
Pretty. Can I do recording videos at once?
Huh?
Can I do recording 2 videos at once?
No.
Yeah, because I could do the typing one.
Yeah, and this one. We could show you how to record it.
Alright, so this is this is not how to do a face cam, but if you just want to record a video, this is how you do it. By typing, so you're gonna have to type. So you go to here, this one, and then you go to record, and then record video, and then it's recording right now. So, yo, hey guys, we're back.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, but I just started a video.
It's 11:30.
Okay. Alright guys, so that video was cut short, but see you tomorrow with my boy Aiden.
Yep.
And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Hope you have a great day.